Iziko lokukhathalela ubume bamanina Ubuhle-Bezimbali lusungule itumente yokuqala yebhola yomnyazi eKliptown ngempelaveki. Eliziko eligxile ekubhiyozeleni amabhinqa aseze ngobuso ezweni liphinde lagqithisa ngezishubelisi ukunakekela nokubhiyozela amabhinqa.
Ubuhle-Bezimbali hosted a community netball tournament in support of Women's Month and to promote self-awareness among young ladies in Kliptown.
Njengoba silana into besicela kakhulu ukuthi abantwana babe active ku netball ku sports, especially bamantombazana kakhulu. So ezinye izinto like esizifaceayo ukuthi teenage pregnancy yayenzakala as it is Women's Month. So besifuna ukuthi sibe nalento inkumbulo ukuthi abantwana nabo bayenze something fun, because it's something that they do on a daily basis, but there's any fun in it. So sizobapha ama packs which azoba nama sanitary towels, azoba nama izinto zokugeza.
Brenda Harvey is a resident who has lived in the community for many years now, and so she pleads to sponsors to assist with the tournament by providing sanitary towels.
I need funding, like need sponsor. If they're willing to come along, basebenze nathi ukuthi sincede abantwana sibagrume into being abantu responsible, then they can come along. Abazali nabo siyabacela ukuthi basupport abantwana ngoba ama challenges esibe nawo ukuthi abantwana fanele bageze izitsha and like sisaba nama forms saba notify in time ukuthi okay abantwana bazobadlala so, but azange bakwazi ukuza because fanele bayenza ama chores bakade abantwana. Yiwa ama challenges esinawo, like if banga release abantwana ukuthi okay bayenza into abayithandayo.
As a young woman, Ritumeti says it's hard doing what she loves when there's so much peer pressure around.
It's very hard hore motho adlale netball with all the peer pressure, the drugs and the alcohols. But then today I made sure in terms of all the things from coming to netball I came. Like it's what I love, it's my passion and it's what I'll always love. So to all the other young girls, I'm not saying you must particularly come to Skeltas Netball. I mean, there are so many teams out there. They are willing to help you. So many people who are willing to sacrifice their time. Mbali
Nkosi, Soweto TV Sports, Kliptown.